At GoProto, our mission is to solve your quick-turn manufacturing problems. That's why we developed GoQuote, the simple way to get your plastic and metal parts done right and on time. To get started, head to our GoQuote page by clicking here. There are two GoQuote options depending on your needs, Fast Quoter and Instant Quoter. Select the GoQuote Fast Quoter if you need a little extra guidance or want to work step-by-step with a sales engineer from the beginning. Simply fill out the appropriate fields. Be sure to indicate whether ITAR regulations or export controls are required for your parts. Upload your files. Note that the max file size is 200 megabytes. Once completed, you will receive a confirmation email and a GoProto sales engineer will follow up with you within 24 hours. Your second option is the GoQuote Instant Quoter. Select the GoQuote Instant Quoter if you need an instant price and lead time quote to get your project started. The Instant Quoter can process files for all additive and traditional manufacturing projects. However, only the additive processes are instantly quoted. Traditional manufacturing like CNC tooling and sheet metal can be spec'd out and the quote will be returned within 24 hours. Register with GoQuote by entering your contact information and desired password here. Once you've created a profile, you will be able to log in with your credentials and you'll be presented with a home screen. Here in the main menu, you can view existing quotes and orders, update your account information, and start a new quote. Click New Quote to start a new project quote. Then upload your CAD files. Once your files have successfully uploaded, we can move on to the next step. To generate a quote, first choose your quantity, then choose your process, material, finishes, then the units of measurement, and then click Get Price. If you want to compare another quantity, process, material, or finish for that part, click here. If you want to add another part to the quote, click here. At this point, if everything looks correct, click Place Order to enter and save the estimate into the system. This brings us to the order confirmation page. Review and agree to the terms and conditions. Then, select the line items of the parts you would like to order by checking the box next to it. Click on Place Your Order and you'll receive a confirmation page with your order number. A project manager will contact you immediately to confirm details and timing. As always, if you need any further assistance, our sales engineers are ready to counsel with you on the best process for your project. On-demand custom manufacturing with GoProto.